Arsenal 3, Southampton 3. Absolute bottle jobs. Bottle jobs. All week. I have said if we concede one goal to them, even if we won 9-1, I'm going to lose my rag. 30 seconds in, hold my beer. We're going to get into the rest of that in a second. Make sure you sub to the channel. Appreciate everyone who watched the watch along. Big up to everyone who donated on that watch along as well. The chat was going nuts. 4K peak at one point as well. Yeah, but make sure you also smash a like up on this. Share the content around. I am shaking. I am so angry. Second channel, Lee Reacts, very close to 10K. It's about... that fan is doing my brain in, but I have to have it on to cool this down. But... about 300 away from 10K. Lee Reacts in the description. Go and sub to that, please. That would cheer me up a little bit, because right now I want to swing for somebody. Yeah, could be one of them players. I am absolutely seething. You go to Anfield, you go 2-0 up. You bring on Kivior when Jorginho, that you signed for experience, is on the bench. Cool. Okay. Cool. You end up getting one of the worst left-backs I've ever seen in my life, and he is one of the worst left-backs I've seen in my life. The guy can't defend. We'll come to him in a minute, but I'm going to go about that game first. Gets nutmegged by one of the worst right-backs I've ever seen. Cool. 2-2. Oh, but it's all right. It's all right. It's Anfield. No, Anfield's a humbler and all that. Yeah, we're Arsenal Football Club. Big Arsenal Football Club. Look at these people behind me. This one and this one were absolutely disgusted sat in the stands tonight, and rightly so. Big up Thierry, big up Paddy. Disgusted. But it don't matter, because we got West Ham next. We'll beat them, won't we? Cool. You don't have a whole week. You go 2-0 up against West Ham in 10 minutes. Wow, we're sourcing out. We're balling. We're flying. We're doing great. Fantastic. This is elite level football. We've learned our lessons from last week. Cool. 2-2. But it don't matter, because we've got another game against Southampton on Friday, and they're bottom of the league. And we're at home. We've only lost to Man City at home. Like, it's a must-win game. But so was West Ham, and nobody was held accountable when we didn't win it. Cool. But it don't matter. Don't matter. Yeah, because we've got Southampton. We're going to wipe the floor with them, haven't we? Cool. 30 seconds, you're 1-0 down. 15 minutes, you're 2-0 down. Less than 15 minutes, 2-0 down. You let Theo Walcott dunk on you. We've been this guy how many years ago? He's played for Everton in the meantime. We let him dunk on us. Cool. And you know what? He should be sacked from Southampton, by the way. Yeah, and I know I'm going to upset a lot of you little snowflakes that come in and watch this, yeah? Why is he not celebrating that goal? You don't play for Arsenal, mate. You've played for Everton and now Southampton. Why are you not celebrating a goal for the team that are paying you week in, week out? Why are you not celebrating that? But anyway, I digress. So we go 2-0 down. Cool. Zinchenko giving motivational speeches and that, yeah? Where was you for the second goal, mate? The first goal's on Ramsdale. What are you doing? What are you doing? We started against Bournemouth and conceded after 9 seconds. Leeds United could have scored a record-breaking Premier League goal, fastest ever goal after 6, other than him making that worldy save. And then we go into this game after 2 useless games against West Ham and Liverpool, where we dominated parts of the game and then capitulated. And you've had all week to work on this. And from the get-go, bang, you switch off and straight away, bang, 1-0. 2-0. Where was Zinchenko? Oh, yeah. Pressing the guy in midfield. Cool. And then Gabriel Magalhaes lets Theo Walcott run off the back of him. 2-0. Cool. We then get a goal back. Cool. Zinchenko again. Back stick. Oh, the ball's coming. What do? I'm in defence now. Oh, it's in the goal. Stop overrating these players. There's a reason Pep binned him, because he can't defend, mate. Yeah, he can't defend. The guy's decent in attacking midfield, but he's everywhere other than where he should be. That guy is part of the reason we are top. Not for much longer, by the way. But he is a massive reason why we have not won these last 3 games. That has to be held accountable. It's not good enough. It's not good enough. Yeah, passion merchant. Facts, he's a passion. Oh, look at me, I'm going to roll up. Oh, shut up, man, with your team talks and that. Yeah, you ain't got no elite mentality. That's why you got binned, mate. The fact and reality is that is a disgrace, an absolute disgrace. And when I say disgrace, I mean disgrace at the highest order. Heads need to roll tonight. Tonight. I want somebody gone tonight. I don't care who it is, Vinay, Edu, Arteta, players, I don't care. Somebody needs to be accountable for that tonight. Arteta, your subs again, mate. Your subs again are a shambles. Why was there no sub at half-time? We could have literally hooked the whole team off at half-time. Every single one of them could have got it. But no. You let them stay on. How did Saka finish the game again? Oh, but Lee scored. Who cares? He did nothing again. Is this Rob Holding's fault that he didn't do anything again? Because Sky Sports are trying to make out that Saka's drop-off is because of Rob Holding coming into the team. Rewind to last season. Saka disappeared for the last 8 games of the season. Oh, yeah. We're in the last 8 games of the season. Cool. Great player. Fantastic. Been brilliant all season. Why'd you have a drop-off all the time at the back end of a season, mate? Oh, but Lee's overplayed. Oh, what? Because of the Finn squad. Yeah, Finn squad by design, mate. Yeah, so you're telling me the transfer window was a shambles then? No, but we can't just go and buy everyone, can we, Gunner? Well, if it's a Finn squad, why are you all rating it 8 out of 10? In the summer, 8 out of 10, we won the transfer window. 8 out of 10 in January, yeah, we got Jorginho. Where was Jorginho tonight? Why didn't he play? Why's Fabio Vieira playing games? The next Bernardo Silva, yeah? Did we watch Bernardo Silva against Bayern Munich over 2 legs? I think he recorded 10 nutmegs over the 2 legs. Yeah, 4 in 20 seconds in the first leg. And that's the same player twice in 1 second. Fabio Vieira, 35 million down the drain, mate. Absolute garbage. Yeah, Martinelli tonight, shambles. Jesus tonight, shambles. Odegaard, shambles. Yeah, but he got the crowd up when he scored. Passion merchants, playing up for the crowd. He'll probably tweet that out or post it on his Insta. Yeah, this fan base are a joke. Yeah, not one. I didn't hear any boos in the stadium. We're just drawn to the team bottom of the table after drawing to the team that was 16th. After going 2-0 up against that team and after going 2-0 up at Anfield and drawing that game as well. Oh, yeah, but Lee, why are you so negative? Just be happy we're overachieving. No, we're not. We're 19 years behind schedule, mate. 19 years behind schedule. 19. Yeah, but Lee, it's the young team, yeah? By design. Yeah, but it's a young manager by design. By design. No doubt after these three draws that feel like losses, woohoo! Let's wheel out righty again. No doubt there'll be some merch in the pipeline ready to drop tomorrow. Embarrassing. Absolutely shambolic. Yeah? And I'm telling you right now, Carlo Ancelotti is available in the summer. That's the man at this club. I wanted him when Wenger went, and I wanted him when Emery went. How does he still keep doing it? Oh, yeah, but he's at Madrid. Anyone can win at Madrid. Okay, cool. Well, why didn't Odegaard then? Why didn't Odegaard then? It's embarrassing. Absolutely shambolic. And you've got these super fans sitting out there telling the world that no trophy, but putting a title race together, yeah, is better, even if you don't win it, than winning a Carabao Cup. You absolute fraudulent bastards. Yeah, get in the bin. Get in the bin. 0 trophies, 1 trophy. Who's had the better season? Who has had the better season? Why do I have to explain this? It's self-explanatory. Then you've got other channels, Man United channel, Goldbridge giving it the same. Oh, yeah, well, you know, yeah, they're in a title race. It's a great Man City team. Yeah, it is a great Man City team. How does a great Man City team stop us beating Southampton? How does a great Man City team stop us beating West Ham? How does a great Man City team stop us beating Liverpool? If we had done our jobs in them games, we'd have 6 points more and we'd be 10 points clear. 10. Would we be 10? We'd have 6. We'd be 11 points clear. We're 5 clear. We would be 11 points clear. Even if they win their 2 in hand and beat us, we'd still be above them. So this great team that they've got, which, by the way, they can field 2 teams. No, they can't. Because if they could, how comes they've used the least amount of players in the Premier League this season then? Another myth peddled by superfans and BS journalists. They have used the least amount of players this season in the Premier League. Why? Because apparently they can field 2 teams. They're playing 4 centre-backs across defence. They're playing a centre-back in midfield. Like, get with the programme, people. This is capitulation of the highest order. Like, wake up. Smell the coffee, mate. It's done. The process is ended. £500 million, 21 new players. Add that to Saka, Martinelli, Xhaka, Eddie, El Neni that were already there that he's kept there. 21 players added on top of that, £500 million and 4 years. And this is the end result. And I'm supposed to be happy because this is progress. We are so far behind where we should have been. We smashed this stadium down with these legends in. We are 19 years behind, mate. Yeah. And do not let these fraudulent liars that say something completely different off camera twist and manipulate you. This is a joke. Go and get me a proper manager. It's not just him, by the way, because that ain't on him tonight. Not all of that. Some of it was the subs were a shambles. The starting 11 was a shambles. Vieira, what you doing playing him? Trossard should have started. Saka should have been benched anyway. Albert Saka scored. I don't care. Didn't even cheer the last 2 goals. Didn't even cheer him. What's the point? Said this before. Irrelevant goals that lead to nothing are irrelevant. Irrelevant wins that lead to nothing are irrelevant. Stop cheering mediocrity. Yeah. Stop sitting there boosting up nothing, but we put the pressure on. Then we laugh at Tottenham for years about this. Oh, but they put the pressure on. They finished third in a 2-horse race. Cool. They weren't top at all that season. We were. But we can't compete with City, Lee. But how did Leicester compete with us then? So did we bottle it that year? Because we were top a lot and we beat Leicester twice. Yeah. Absolute disgrace. Yeah. And I'm telling you now, yeah, more and more people need to wake up to this farce that is happening at this football club. The spin, the PR, yeah, is a disgrace. It's been a good run. Cool. I don't care if we're top for 11 months and then lose on the last day. We've lost. Does a boxer who's won 11 rounds out of 12, go into the 12th, gets knocked out and go, oh, yeah, but we put the pressure on, mate. No, he don't. He got sparked TKO, mate. Yeah, embarrassing. Heads need to roll tonight. Somebody needs to be made accountable for this. Thrown 3 cup competitions away for this. You absolute bottle job bastards. 3 cup competitions in the bin to serve up that after you dropped 2 points at West Ham and Liverpool. And you've had a whole week. Oh, but we've only got 1 game a week. Fans cheering, we're knocked out of cups. You absolute scumbags. Get in the bin. This club is nowhere near repaired, and we've done £500 million. 4 years with this guy nearly. 21 new players. Go and get me Don Carlo Ancelotti, man. Get in the bin. Everyone out.